I looked at where you remove the battery from the Roland VS-2000, and it's gonna require a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm gonna get a Phillips screwdriver and open that piece up. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew. Okay, so got it open, and looking down in here, there is a lithium battery that I'm gonna be replacing. Hope I got the right ones. I'm gonna check with what I just purchased today at Sam's Club. So now that I located where the battery is, I'm gonna open up the batteries that I just purchased and get one out and have it ready. And I had to read up on how to take the battery out of the machine, which is to slide it up towards the arrow and then upward and then out. Damn, look at it go out. So I'll get this out. Get this. I'm kind of tearing it up because I need it open. They had it separated in two packs. Got my scissors. Get these out. Looks like it's the right size. It says it's the same brand. It's the same CR2032. This is really hard. And it has this part. Okay. So now got that out. Now on to the next stop. So the guy who I spoke with, who represents Roland, and they are a resource for repair, he told me I could just do this myself because I was going to take this thing in to have the battery repaired, and I didn't know it was this simple. Otherwise, I could have done this a while ago. But anyway, at least I have done it now. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and make sure that it works, or that I'm no longer getting that error message talking about backing up the battery. So, stay tuned. Hey guys, I just turned the machine on after changing the lithium battery, and I'm gonna see if I get that same crazy message. Guess what? I didn't get that message, so I'm good. That battery is changed successfully.